The visuals of the arrival of the President at Dhammachakra celebrations, which are being organized at Rashtrapati Bhavan. The President has arrived, and even as we speak, we tell our viewers that it is the Guru Purnima today, the Ashad Purnima, and the Dhammachakra celebrations are being held at Rashtrapati Bhavan.
Namo Buddhaya and a very good morning. On behalf of the International Buddhist Confederation, I welcome you all to our celebration of Ashad Purnima 2020 as Dharma Chakra Day. The Ashad Purnima is the full moon day on which Tathagata Gautam Buddha delivered his first sermon of Dharma Chakra Parvatana Sutra, thereby setting the wheel of Dharma Chakra in the motion. Now we will have Manglacharan by Dhammadeepa Buddha Vihar in Theravada tradition, followed by Mahayana Sangha from Ganden Tech Chanting Monastery, Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato.
I humbly request the Honorable President of India, Shri Ram Nath Kovind ji, and Venerable Dr. Dhammapiya, Secretary General IBC, to proceed for lighting of lamp at the Lord Buddha statue and offering of flowers amidst chanting.
Buddham.
I request Venerable Dr. Dhammapiya, Secretary General IBC, to hand over the memento to the Honorable President of India. I cordially invite Shri Prahlad Singh Patel, Honorable Minister of State, Independent Charge, Ministry of Culture and Ministry of Tourism for the welcome address. Now I request Honorable Minister of Culture, Shri Prahlad Singh Patel, to unveil the first volume of the digitized publication of Mongolian Kanjur and present it to the Honorable President of India. Thank you. Now I request Honorable Minister of Culture, Shri Prahlad Singh Patel, to present a copy of Mongolian Kanjur to His Excellency Mr. Gonching Gambold, Ambassador of Mongolia, as a token of love and friendship from Government of India. Kanjur is the translated words of the Buddha and is the entire collection of texts regarded as Buddha Vakna or Buddha word. The invaluable publication was compiled by Dr. Lokesh Chandra from the archives of late Dr. Raghuvira and is published by National Manuscripts Commission courtesy of Indira Gandhi National Center for Arts under the aegis of Ministry of Culture. It is an offering to the people of Mongolia from India. Thank you, everyone. I invite now Dr. Vinay Sahasrabudhe, Member of Parliament and President, Indian Council for Cultural Relations, for the address note. Welcome, sir.
Again, I thank the International Buddhist Confederation for bestowing this honor on me by inviting me to participate in this historic function. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I invite now Shri Kiren Rijiju, Honorable Minister of State, Independent Charge, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, and Minister of State, Ministry of Minority Affairs, for the address note.
For all the humankind. Thank you very much.
I invite now His Excellency Mr. Gonchik Gambold, Ambassador of Mongolia to India, to read out the message from President of Mongolia, His Excellency Mr. Khalmagan Batulga. Thank you. Now we shall present an address note by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, through this video.
Respected President, Shri Ramnath Kovind ji, other distinguished guests, let me begin to do good. Thank you. Thank you very much.
With great pride, I take this opportunity now to invite our Honorable President of India, Shri Ramnath Kovind ji, to grace the dais with his address note.
May we all be blessed. May we all awaken to wisdom. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Shri Ramnath Kovind ji, our Honorable President of India, for sharing the words of encouragement. Vote of thanks by Venerable Dr. Dhammapiya, Secretary General, International Buddhist Confederation. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, dignitaries. Now let's rise for the national anthem.